In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden emails on Gmail. If you know you've received a message but it's not showing up in your primary inbox, don't worry. Gmail organizes messages into different sections, and sometimes emails end up in places you don't check every day. I'll walk you through the two most important spots to look and explain why messages might be there so you can find what you need quickly. Start by opening Gmail. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of sections. If you only see a few, click the More option to expand the full list. This reveals additional folders that aren't always visible at first glance. We're going to focus on two in particular: Spam and All Mail. First, open the Spam folder. Emails can land here automatically if Gmail's filters think a message might be unwanted or suspicious. That can include newsletters you signed up for, automated notifications, or messages from unfamiliar addresses. If you've been waiting on something and it's missing from your inbox, it's worth scanning this section. Scroll through the list and look for the sender or subject line you recognize. You can also use the search bar while you're in spam to narrow down results by keywords. Keep in mind that spam is cleared out automatically after a period of time, so older messages may no longer be there. Next, head to the All Mail section. This is essentially the master list of your mailbox. It contains everything in your account except items in trash and spam. If you archived an email intentionally or by tapping the archive icon without realizing it, it won't appear in your inbox anymore, but it will still be in All Mail. Archiving doesn't delete the message. It simply removes it from the inbox view. In All Mail, you can scroll through your messages or use the search bar to quickly locate the email by sender, subject, or a unique phrase. This section is especially helpful if you remember seeing the email before but can't find it in your inbox because it was archived. That's all you need to do. By expanding the sidebar and checking spam and all mail, you'll cover the two most common places where hidden messages tend to live. If an email isn't in your inbox, it's often filtered as spam or tucked away after being archived. With these two checks, you should be able to track it down and get back to what matters.